Hi student, welcome to Nanda classes. Today we are discuss class 10 chemistry, chapter 1, chemical reactions and equations. Today we are discuss some multiple type questions because the multiple type questions are mostly come in exams. Okay, it is also helpful in your board exams because multiple type questions are come in your board exams. So I hope all of you are stay home and keep healthy. So today we are discuss some selective objective type questions. Okay, or we are discuss the some important topic which are mostly come in exams because this chemical reaction and equations are the most important chapter of class 10 science. That's why most of the questions are come from these chapters. So let's start our MCQ type questions. The first questions are select the one which is not an example of chemical reactions. ओके इसमें 4 ऑप्शंस दिया है, इसमें से जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है उसको चूज करना है. ओके सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रेडिश ब्राउन लेयर on iron nail kept in airs, and the second option dissolution of sugar in waters, and the third option burning of peppers, and the fourth option decomposition of vegetable matter. तो ये चारों ऑप्शन से कौन सा केमिकल रिएक्शन नहीं है, नॉट एन एग्जांपल ऑफ chemical reactions. So what is chemical reactions? We are already discussed. The chemical reactions is the reaction in which two reactant substance are react and to form completely a new substance. Okay, with the different in their chemical properties. So the first option are formation of reddish brown layer on iron nail. When iron nails are contact with air, their water change into their oxide or iron oxides. So it is a one type of permanent change, that why it is a chemical reactions. And the second one, dissolution of sugar in water. Sugar को वाटर में घुल जाने से कुछ भी उसका केमिकली प्रॉपर्टीज में चेंज नहीं होता है, सिर्फ क्या होता है, sugar are dissolved in water. So we can easily separate also sugar and water by the process of evaporation. So that why the correct option is the water B, dissolution of sugar in waters. And the third option, the burning of pepper. When we are burn pepper, the completely a new substance will be formed, that is the oxides. Okay, that why it is also a chemical reaction. And the fourth one, decomposition of vegetable matter. When the vegetable matter are decomposed, that why they are the chemically changed and completely new substance will be formed. That why option D also a chemical change. So the right answer is the water B, the dissolution of water. So B is the water, right answer. Next, the second question, barium chlorides on reaction with sodium sulfate form white precipitate of Dex. Barium chloride, the formula of barium chloride are BaCl2. Okay, BaCl2 are react with sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Here what are double displacement reaction that occur and the compound will be formed. Here given 4 options, it is the barium sulfite, barium sulfate, barium sulfite, and none of these. Here the compound will be formed, it is the barium sulfate, the option B. Option B is the correct, barium sulfate. The formula are BaSO4. Barium sulfate will be formed, and here a white color precipitate of barium sulfate will be formed. Okay, what is precipitate? The insoluble substance or residue formed, that is what are precipitate. Question also come, what is precipitation reactions? Is the most important reactions, because in 2 mark questions or 3 mark questions also come this one. And the color of this precipitate are what are white. Next, the third questions, during an exothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction already we are completed. So here given the 4 options. First, energy absorbed, second, energy release, and third, physical state of reactants and product remain same. And the fourth, total bond energy of reactant is lesser than total bond energy of product. So in exothermic reaction, what are the chemical reaction in which heat energy are released or evolved is called what are exothermic reactions. So B is the what are energy release, that why the correct option is what are B. So B is the what are or correct option. Energy is released during an exothermic reactions. Okay, so this is a one types of chemical reaction, synthesis or combinations. A or B are combined and to form what are AB, and it is decomposition reaction. AB is a substance and they are after reaction they are decomposed and to form two new substance A or B. It is a single displacement reaction. AB a substance plus react with C and to form AC plus B. It is a displacement reaction. And the fourth one are double displacement reaction. AB plus CD to form AC and BD. It is a double displacement reactions. So next we are go to our next questions. The number 4 questions. An example of a chemical changes is. इसमें से कौन सा केमिकल चेंज का एक एग्जाम्पल है? सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज कंडेंसेशन ऑफ क्लाउड इन द स्काई. स्काई में क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन होना, ये केमिकल चेंज नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट द सेकेंड, मेल्टिंग ऑफ कैंडल इन लिक्विड पैराफिन वैक्स. कैंडल को मेल्ट करना, मेल्ट करने से कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा. सो इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट ए केमिकल चेंज. नेक्स्ट, सब्लिमेशन ऑफ कैम्फर. कैम्फर सब्लिमेट हो रहना, ये भी एक केमिकल चेंज नहीं है. Next, the number D, roasting of iron. Roasting when the iron are roast and change into water, iron oxide. This is a chemical change. So the right answer is the water. D is the water. Right answer. Next, the number 5 questions. The downward arrow indicates the formation of decks. The downward arrow indicates the formation of water. Downward arrow means the option are given: A, gas; B, precipitate; C, liquid; and D, solution. So downward arrow is water, precipitate. So the right answer is water. B is the right answer. So the precipitate. Next, the number 6 question. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen or loss of oxygen. We are given 4 options: loss of oxygen, gain of oxygen, addition of water, loss of hydrogen. So the first one, water, loss of oxygen, addition, loss of oxygen is called water reduction. Next questions, number 7. A reaction take place in presence of light. Okay, जो रिएक्शन लाइट की प्रेजेंस में होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ऑप्शन आर गिवन: फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस, इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल रिएक्शन, कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. So we are learned that the chemical reactions which are occur in presence of light is known as photochemical reaction. Okay. The chemical reaction which are occur in presence of sunlight is called photochemical reaction. So next we have discussed the number 8. Number 8 questions. A chemical reaction used in black and white photography is. जो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फोटोग्राफी में यूज होता है उसी केमिकल रिएक्शन को क्या बोलते हैं? कौन सा यूज होता है? सिल्वर क्लोराइड, सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड्स. Okay, and it is a displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, light emission reaction, and heat emission reaction. So the decomposition of silver chloride we have discussed water from silver and chlorine. So in this reaction are used as black and white photography. So the answer is the D. What are that is a decomposition reaction. Next questions. In a balanced chemical equation, each sides of the arrow has the same number of decks, subscript, coefficient, molecules or atoms. In the balanced chemical equation, we know that the individual atoms of the reactant and product, the individual atoms, what are? The answer is the what are? Atoms must be same both the reactant and product side. So answer is the water atom, D. Next, the question number 10. The condition produced by aerial oxidation of fat and oil in food marked by unpleasant smell and taste is called DEX. Options are given: stalling, fermentation, corrosion, and rancidity. So it is also we have discussed the term rancidity. What are that time we have taken the oil or food containing foods, then after some time our mouth are formed bad taste and smell, and it is by the process of rancidity. And how can we prevent rancidity also we have to discuss detailsly. Okay, so it is some mostly important questions we have discussed. I hope all of you are understand all these questions, and any doubt all of you please comment me and contact with me. Okay, so next part also we have discussed some more questions. I hope this video are helpful for you. I request to all of you please like, share and comment. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope all of you are stay home and safe life. Thank you.